We played our role so well, we forgot ourselves after a while. We talked about forever, but avoided the now. Slept in the same bed, with miles between our doubts. We stayed for the crowd, not the truth. For the image, not the proof. I was lonely right next to you, and you felt it too. Love looked good on us from the outside view, but behind closed doors, we didn't know what to do. We dressed up the pain, called it loyalty and trust. Love looked good on us, but it hurt.